Tell me about the birds.
I scared away the country birds.
City birds.
City birds.
Now, why weren't they scared earlier?
Because
How were you trying to scare them earlier?
yelling, but walking towards them and stomping make them more scared.
And what did you also use?
The thing, but I lost it.
What's the thing?
A rubber band.
A rubber band. And how did you use the rubber band?
I did this, and then I let it go.
Wow. That's pretty great, son.
Let's get back on the track, Dad.
All right, let's do it.